Here's our brand new kitty.
Butch with the long tail.
What day is it?
January 4th, year 2003. With our little baby Butch. Oh, look at the camera.
Hi, Butch. Hi, you're so cute. Aww. Got him from the pound.
3 months old.
$90.
We're gonna go get his sister.
The free
It doesn't
cat.
look anything like him. You hear him purring?
I bet it did pick it up.
Oh, sure. Oh, sure. Oh, yeah. Look, he doesn't mind you touching anything. Look at that. Got his foot. Beautiful boy. Back of his head. He's got stripe.
Nice shot.
Oh.
Nice shot.
Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter?
Very affectionate. Bye-bye. She's purring up a storm.
Hi, Missy. Stay over there so I can get you.
This
What day is it?
Missy. January 4th, 2003. Another new cat. 3 hours later.
Pretty girl.
2 hours later.
There's a pretty girl.
She's purring.
You just stopped purring. He'll come. Oh, there it is. There it is. Missy.
They should meet. They haven't met yet.
Not until I turn this off. Okay. What are you doing? Hey, Butch.
She ran out.
I heard him go, ooh. You didn't put it in the middle.
Well, no, you can't walk through it when it's in the middle. Feels like you got a spider on your face.
He's such a hard pouncer.
Mm-hmm.
Includes several high-profile actors.
The movie stars come in and they want to be perfect. They go as perfect as they can be.
Of course, liposuction is a cornerstone of cosmetic surgery, but Dr. Sobel says there's a new type of patient for the procedure.
I do more people now that are in good shape, that work out and do regularly have great diets, than I do people that are, God, I just want to have milkshakes and hamburgers and just suck out the fat doctor.
The latest liposuction techniques allow many patients to have just a local anesthetic, and the surgery becomes a true collaboration.
We do part of the procedure, for most of it, then we stand them up in a full-length mirror, they look at it, and they look at it with me. And they say, hey, can you do a little more here? Can you touch it? And then we remark them. We lie them back down again, and then we do some more.
This patient resculpted her stomach. This woman took years off her neck, and even arms can look tighter. One of the newest weapons of choice in the battle against aging is the MedLight 2. This laser can zap away age spots, and Dr. Sobel put it to the test when an actress is prepping for a nude scene.
She needed a clean body. When I say a clean body, she didn't want only little spots on her. And it took about a half hour, we cleaned her up totally. And she's going to have scabs for a couple of days, a little red, and then she's going to look like she did hopefully when she was 15 years of age.
Another advance, the Cool Touch laser helps the body help itself look younger. It builds up your natural collagen, plumps up your skin, and attacks wrinkles as well as scars. It's just one of the reasons why investment specialist Suzanne Murphy sees her doctor nearly every 2 weeks.
There's always something. You know, it's like going to the hairdresser. I think it's kept me looking very young. I know I'm 30, almost 35, and people routinely tell me I look like I'm in my early 20s.
Now we're going to do a little trick.
Botox, which essentially paralyzes facial muscles and prevents wrinkles, may be today's leading procedure.
Now I'm going to show you something new. Yeah, I did.
Just pet him. Don't look like a dork. You
Logs?
can look at the camera.
Tess, not logs.
How long have you been a caseworker?
9 years?
And in those 9 years, how many times have I been wrong?
Hardly ever.
Since we first brought you this story, Josh Warman and his crew have been able to use their radar to capture the entire life cycle of a tornado, from birth to death. They've also clocked the highest wind speed ever measured in a twister. A killer storm that blasted through Oklahoma City with winds of more than 300 miles per hour. A remarkable story from that storm when we return.
Coming up next, she thought she lost her daughter when a monster storm literally blew the baby out of her arms.
I thought I was the only one who lived, and I figured that my baby would have deserved to live more than me. And
How would she ever find her child? When, in the eye of the storm, a Dateline special continues.
In 1935, Foxwood Farm, a Chevy Suburban. Today,
Together, right? This is the first time they've been together, and it's January 5th.
We haven't even had them 24 hours.
No, less than 24 hours they've made peace, sorta.
Like we have to still take the down tree down before the cats climb it for the first time.
A year ahead of schedule, and they're both in my spot.
Because you're supposed to go make pancakes. They must have slept together. Look how comfortable he is next to her.
That's Missy cleaning herself, and that's Butch falling asleep.
5, 6, 7, 8. That's really cute.
Missy, Missy,
Start a neighborhood watch.
Missy.
It's one of the many ways you can help make America stronger. To find out how, call or log on for this free guide.
don't wonder all, the European movie will continue in a moment.
Take advantage of Stater Brothers' great values and savings this week. Delicious New York steak is value priced at $2.97 a pound for the family pack. Our own Stater Brothers Country Harvest split top bread is a low 99 cents. Randall Farms moist and tender boneless skinless chicken breasts are $1.67 a pound for the family pack. And 2 pounds of Gala apples are a sweet buy at just $1. Stater Brothers, the low price leader in your hometown.
This is the latest edition of the Accord. Totally redesigned from the ground up, offering a new level of refinement in style, comfort, power, and safety. Attributes Honda has always been known for. But don't let your eyes deceive you. After all, affordability is also our heritage. Now you can lease the 2003 Accord LX sedan for $239 a month for 36 months.
While other stores have sales all the time, we offer low prices all year long. So when we do have a sale, our prices are a lot lower than other stores. Right now, over half our suits and sport coats are on sale, plus hundreds of pants, sweaters, shoes, shirts, and outerwear, 20 to 50% off, which means the only way to beat a Men's Warehouse price is at the Men's Warehouse winter sale. I guarantee it. To contact the store nearest
Hey,
you,
you
call
back.
1-800-776.
Do you eat your more food?
she was afraid to try it. No, it wasn't.
Yeah.
Where is he?
You love no one else. You try OB, you love OB.
Butch.
Know yourself.
Butch, Butch, hi.
Let's try jumbo size.
If you're teaching your children these words, you might as well teach them
Hi.
others that
Oh,
go
hi.
like cancer, type 2 diabetes, heart disease. Instead, teach your
Or interruptions.
Search master.
Trouble has arrived on the scene.
Live on tape. Bad Kitty, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when soup comes for you?
It's a multi-grain waffle, low-fat bologna.
It's not look very good.
I'm sure your heart's swelling with pride. Just don't feel that thing. So I'm tired of being the only one who's responsible around here. Okay, honey, let's go upstairs and let's get to the next thing.
Daddy, do you want to come into your room so I can't sleep?
Linda? No? What are you doing here?
Wishing someone else was here to see this. And I left myself for her yesterday. What are you doing home? You sick?
Got a nagging pain back here. Doctor says I need my sister-in-law removed.
Are you sure you'll still be able to tour? Oh, hey, Judy, you're just in time. Now, you missed the concert, but you can catch the second show in My Nightmares.
What are you guys doing home?
You need to have a family discussion. Oh, okay. I'm all ears. I mean, just the immediate family. Ooh, hey, big family secrets, none of my business. How come you didn't answer the phone? I called you like 5 times.
I unplugged.
Cat under glass.
No fault free glass.
You told her I had to leave. What happened to our united front? I can wait here longer than you can.
Don't act like a swan. Be a swan. I don't think I'm swan material. Sorry, kind of new at this.
That's okay. It's good to try new things.
That's what I told you about 10, 10, 20.
I'm gonna get really mad.
For 99 cents. I haven't signed up for that.
You don't have to. Just dial 10, 10, 220, then 1 and the number.
That's easy.
It sure is. I knew you could do it. I think it'll stick. Dial 10, 10, 220. All new 220 horses and one more thing. The all-new 220 horsepower.
She's never gone under there, has she?
She's not as adventurous as he is. Uh-oh, going down.
I'm not giving up.
Original flathead. He's not a quick learner, is he?
No, but it sure is fun. Don't you jump on me.
The People's Choice Awards is the best place to find your favorite movie, music, and television stars. Vote for your favorites at CBS.com. The People's Choice Awards, live CBS Sunday.
Food is life. Food is love. And not only that, it tastes pretty good too. That's why with Weight Watchers
and still lose weight. Now at Weight Watchers, get in the groove. A very cool way to start
Kept the
losing.
pencil.
Yours free when you join, plus free registration. Call 1-800-651-6000.
Weight Watchers, real food, real life, real results.
Go on down, go on down.
By a leading consumer products magazine of 4 levels.
Ow! Hey, ow!
Oh, painful. Going after the dang
Don't do it.
calf.
Ow!
It was the best.
Was that what he's doing?
Yeah, the calf
The lens
dangling.
can't.
And it's right near my toe.
Considering they've been testing cars for over 50 years. BMW.
They got enough life as well.
Barely. Hey, that was my foot you ran over.
Quality time. Starbucks, Jenny O Turkey Store. Marinated tenderloins.
All new Shaq. Then someone is obsessed with the woman attorney Nick Fallon cares about most.
You have a necklace right across your neck.
Every day he gets more dangerous.
Stop calling me.
Now, protecting her life will have surprising consequences.
If you need somewhere to stay.
Has discovered.
For travelers, slashing one-way fares up to 40% for flights including Chicago and Denver. Those are its 2 main hubs and over thousands of connecting markets. So some good deals out there for travelers. CBS.MarketWatch.com is going to have all the business impact of this economic plan, guys. About 1:15 this afternoon, those details will be coming out. Kent and Suzanne?
So we'll join you online. Susan McGinnis, thanks very much from New York.
Yeah, also in New York this morning, the Grammy nominations came out, and there's the young ones, the old ones, it's anybody.
8 artists received 5 Grammy nominations this morning, with Norah Jones, Avril Lavigne, Eminem, and Bruce Springsteen among the leading contenders in the major categories.
Hi. Is it night time here?
So delicious.
Far from Heaven is divine. New York Times. Perfect. Time Magazine. A masterpiece. Not the year. Far from Heaven. Rated PG-13. Now playing. It's showtime. Lamar Odom, Andre Miller, and your Los Angeles Clippers are looking to shut down Dirk Nowitzki. Exclusive Dallas Mavericks. Clippers, Mavericks. Sunday at 12:30 on G.
Butch. Butch. See. Missy. Missy. Butch. Missy. Butch. Hi.
Stop at Subway. Buy any 7 and 21-ounce drink at a regular 60% free. Rainy day savings at Subway.
At the Anaheim opener, Chadwick came out on top. Marcus GP. Carmichael Pastrana and back to brush off the dust and go for broke in an all-new race.
Kitty in the cushion.
Supercross. Brought to you locally by 1-800-THE-LAW-2. After an accident, call 1-800-THE-LAW-2. This Saturday, Edison International Field.
The New York Times, Premier Magazine, and People Magazine are all calling Catch Me If You Can one of the year's 10 best movies. Nominated for the Golden Globe Award for Best Actor, Leonardo DiCaprio. Winner of the National Society of Film Critics Award for Best Supporting Actor, Christopher Walken. And nominated for 3 Broadcast Film Critics Awards, including Best Director Steven Spielberg and Best Picture of the Year. Catch Me If You Can. Rated PG-13.
They got night vision
now
on them.
playing everywhere.
Is that scary eyes?
No, but I hear little whines. Butchie. Yeah. Oh,
He's tired. What do you need to pet him? All right.
I didn't think I would love you.
Nice try.
Well, hey, wait. How do we fairly decide who gets the phone? I don't know. Well, maybe we could, too slow!
You should turn the sound up on the TV so you can hear the purring.
Too cocky!
I'm going to keep dating him, Mother, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Oh, yes, there is.
What are you going to do? Kill him? Like you did Charles? Oh, my baby!
That was a great scene. Anyway, I just wanted to say how wonderful I think you are.
You're not the fan who's dying, are you?
No, I'm Joey Tribbiani. We did a scene together yesterday. I'm the guy in the coma.
Oh, that was a real person?
Anyway, I just want to say that since I'm getting your brain when you leave the show, I mean...
I'm leaving the show?
I don't know. Why? Did you hear something?
Who told you that?
Well, one of the writers.
Which writer? Was it bald or was it...
Smash that kitty in the back. Oh, what?
She's the camera.
Oh, he got out. Oh, the kitty ran out.
He got out. Look. Where's the kitty?
18 months. Get wild this weekend at
As soon as I turn on, nothing happens.
Katie, where's the kitty?
Katie,
Where's the kitty?
pet Butch.
Oh, go see Butchie.
Pet him real careful. Yeah.
Oh, where's the kitty? No, I already messed that up. Can I have that, please? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Where's the kitty? Hey, kitty. No, you already messed up our phone. Don't mess everybody else's phone up. Where's the kitty? Get Butchie.
There's Missy.
Missy. It's Missy time.
Missy time.
Katie, look at Missy. Katie, look at Missy. Kitty. No, that's Kitty's food. Give it to the kitty.
Oh yeah, you wouldn't like that.
It's icky.
It's
Give it to the
icky.
kitty. You want to give the kitty a snack?
Oh, Butch will eat it.
Come on.
Butch? Only give him a half of one. I gotta save it for when I give him the medicine.
Ooh, it stinks.
Fish flavor.
The half of this?
No.
Yeah. Because
Really?
I'm gonna give him the
Oh.
other stuff. You can't give him too
All right. It's microscopic.
It's too
Who's that?
His
Katie, here.
digestive tract.
Kitty, here. Give this to the kitty. This is the kitty snack. Don't eat it, whatever you do. Come on, come over here and give it to the kitty.
Crinkle bring the bag with you. See what you want to treat.
Ooh,
Butchie,
Butch.
you want a treat? Butchie, want a treat?
Here he comes.
Here, give the kitty a treat. Here. Here.
You're better off doing it that way, probably. I don't know what he'll, Watch, when he's done with that, watch what he does to the corn. Make sure it's sealed.
I want some more. That was good. That was good.
Here you go. Katie. Katie. Get the kitty a snack. Get the kitty a snack. So they have their, is it like little droplets?
It's a whole eyedropper. So you can hold
Who's that? Who's that?
Give him that twice a day and
Hi,
then
Katie.
pills every other day.
You're hiding from me.
The pills for.
You're hiding from
I'm
me.
guessing it's a decongestant.
Yeah, 'cause that cat blows snot.
Oh yeah, she's stopped a lot.
The
She's
black
only
one.
little.
Mm-hmm.
She's
Hi,
only blowing
kitty.
littles.
You want me to pick you up? How can I pick you up? I got a camera.
They had a cold.
Yeah, they're sick.
When they fixed him at the vet. Well, I started recording.
Look, Katie. Watch the car.
Is that Melissa Etheridge and her new girlfriend?
Oops.
Yes.
Oops.
That's Melissa. That's not her, is it? Or is that Melissa Etheridge's
No,
girlfriend?
that's Portia, whatever her name is.
Okay. We gotta let the kitties get it. Dead already? Jeez. Missy girl.
She's pretty.
Yeah, I saw her on the JFK thing.
Play with the water bottles.
Got fire.
What does it say about Melissa and her new girlfriend?
I don't know, but Melissa's new girlfriend and her are on the DVD I got for Christmas.
Really? What DVD set?
Wow. We're right.
Bring it over here.
It's so funny. It's attacking him and he's leaping up like crazy. Come on, Moshi. Whoa! Oh! Kitty! Oh, there we go. It's a tight donut.
And so, what are they saying on their new? What's on the seat?
What are you doing? What are you doing on there? What are you doing, Butchie? Oh, he's tired. Tired, baby. It's not a very comfy place to sleep. Give the kittens their first bath ever.
And it is January 18th, 2003. Ooh, here they are sleeping peacefully on the bed, not knowing
I don't know where
Butch is gone.
Hey. Are we enjoying our day? Oh, yeah. Hello, baby Butch. Say hi to the camera.
Can't see you against the light. Nice silhouette.
Let's see. I'm gonna get you because you're in an awkward position. Get you.
Whoa, everybody's going in. This is gonna be fun.
I'm gonna lock them in there with me, and no one comes out till they're clean. Tap the camera.
Hi, kitties. Look. Oh, aren't we sweet? Aren't we sweet? That was nice. Okay. Off you go to the doom and gloom of the
What
wet
should we do first?
bathroom.
Which?
Did you bring towels?
Yeah. Close the door.
We got our little kitty baby kitten shampoo.
Now, where should we put her?
She's gonna run all over. It doesn't matter.
There you go.
It's wet in there, Missy.
You ever peed in one before? Let's see.
Shake it up good. Missy has no idea.
You're probably gonna want to come on this side.
Excuse me, Missy.
Yeah, put her on the toilet.
Jump right in, Butch. Lather, rinse, repeat.
Yeah, pretty
Lather,
much.
rinse,
Pretty
repeat.
much. She's gonna get wet. You ever gotten wet before? Guess not so bad, huh? Yeah. Here, I'm gonna set you over here and you're gonna freak. Yeah. It's okay. Try it. It's okay. Just try it. There you go. You hang on. That's a good boy. Oh, isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Put your paws in. It's okay.
I'm climbing the walls already.
Yeah. It's not bad. Oh. Get your belly. Get your belly. Oh, it's okay. Yours is much easier than giving you pills. No.
Let me out.
Where you gonna go, sweetie? It's okay. We'll put some of this on you. Oh, that's not so bad, huh? Wow, pretty good. Okay, come.
Okay.
Okay, we'll take you out, baby. We'll take you out. There you go. There you go. See, that's not so bad. Hey, it's a good boy. Dump the feet. Oh, you didn't like that? Oh, it's okay. Why am I wet? Why am I wet?
Wow, he's wet enough for that already?
Yeah.
Wow.
There we go. Oh, let's lather up. Ooh, this is nice. This is nice. This needs to be some rest. Yeah. I know, sweetie.
Top of his head.
There we go. Nice little rub down.
I'm making a break for it.
I'm making a break for it because I'm not sure I like this or not.
I'm all
I should have took my
slimy.
clothes off for this because you're going to get me full of soap.
And she's down on her knees. Yeah. Make sure it doesn't jump up your head.
What's going on here?
You gotta get all his legs. Is he purring? No. No.
It's okay. This is called a kitty bath. Don't jump. Don't jump.
Wow. Lots of shampoo on this little guy. Let's see if the water turns. See if the water turns black.
This would be easier just to add it to the water, you know? Get your belly. Get your belly. You're really good. You're being very good. Yes, you are.
Missy's going, what the hell is going on? I want out this door now. Now she's rubbing her head on the brush. This thing's flashing. What's that mean? Low battery?
Missy, turn around.
Right in the middle.
Film.
Oh.
Tape
Well,
on
hurry
it.
up and rinse him.
Well, turn it off. You don't have to watch.
Here's the rinsing procedure.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Good boy. Such a good boy. Yeah, look at you. You're ready to get your tail in there.
Why don't you dunk him in the sink for his legs?
I have this set up for sets.
Oh, okay.
Rinse one.
He's not screaming nearly as much as I thought he would. I want to escape.
There you go. You feel better already.
You got a flat head now.
There we go, baby. Look, reserves. Hang on. Look like a little alien child right now. Oh yeah, do we get your eyeball? They feel good? I think so. Oh, it's not so bad now, huh? Just little eyeball hairs, huh? I think you need another coat. You still